In front of me is an Alcatel 5V, and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So, jumping straight to it, you want to open up your browser. So right here I have Chrome. No thanks. And what you want to do is tap on these three little dots right here and go into history. And from here you can manually delete it by tapping on the little X like so, or you can tap on clear browsing data right on the top, and from here select what you want to exactly clear. So you have just browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache, images and files. So we can just keep it as it is, and then you have also time range which you can delete it from, and you have 1 hour, 24, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I can choose probably 24 hours and remove everything because it's fairly new data. So I'm just going to select it, but if you want to get rid of everything, you might want to select other option like all time. And from here you can just tap on clear data, and basically it will all be gone. So clear, as you can see, no history here, meaning it's all gone now. So that is basically how you clear browsing data, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.